Okay guys, very, very exciting. I got the Morphe Butter PR. So this is a huge Morphe butter stick. Upside down. Morphe Buttery blends, and the packaging and everything is literally like a ginormous butter stick. How cute is this? And up here it has like the brushes for the measurements, if you can see that. And it says the bread and butter of your routine, a color you'll melt for, and the smoothest application. I think this is so cute and creative. So I'm gonna open this and slide it right out. Oh my god, this is so cute. And then it says Morphe. I don't know if you can see that. My lights are probably so bright. It says Morphe. So it's supposed to be like this. My big stick of butter. So I'm gonna lift mine. So we have a card. This has all the brushes. And oh my god, this is so stinking cute. Wow. Okay, so it opens up like this. And it comes with all these brushes. I am so excited. So I'm definitely putting these in my artistry kit. So here they are again. They are so cute. I love this presentation. I love how it's a stick of butter. So let's dive into the brushes. So first we have the Morphe Buttery Blends, the 4-piece face brush set. I'm gonna open this up. I'm actually debating if I'm going to keep these for myself or put these in my kit. So here they are, this pretty neutral yellow, so stunning. So this one slid out. Wow, they really are soft. Like I recommend at Ulta giving these a try because they really are just like the softest brushes. Piece face brushes. And let's dive in. So the first one is going to be the M133. So I love this. It's like what, a really good concealer brush. So it says concealer corrector, super, super soft, very, very natural looking bristles, if you can see that. Morphe 133 concealer. Next one is a blush brush. So it's like this flatter, like has like a, what do they call this? Like the finger pad? I forget what they call that. It's like an angled brush here. So it's like a blush brush. The M202 looks like that. So pretty. The M202, the blush brush. All right, so this is the M244. It's a bronzing brush. It's so soft. Looks like Morphe 244. Last is the M242 Cream Liquid Bronzer. Ooh, this seems nice. So this is a cream liquid bronzer brush, and it is the M242. So these are the 4 brushes that come in the 4-piece face brush set. Love. So next, these are individual brushes, and this is the Morphe M104 foundation brush. The Morphe M104 foundation brush, so stinking soft. Oh my goodness. I love the natural bristles. I love the color. Morphe did a really great job with their brushes. I love their silver gray brushes as well, but these ones, wow, they are really like the softest brushes. Next, we have the Morphe M108. This is another foundation brush. Morphe M108 foundation brush. This one has a lot more movement. Still has those really soft, natural bristles, and it feels so solid. These brushes feel really good, like durable handles. So let's compare. This is the M108. It's more flexible, it has an angle. And this one, the M104, is more dense. I think I prefer this one for foundation, but I'm excited to try both. So next is another foundation brush. This is the Morphe M106. And this one is like the typical flat top. Very, very flat top, like very blunt. And this is the Morphe M106. Very, very soft. Again, feels so durable and is very, very soft. So that is the Morphe M106. So next, I love foundation brushes like this for clients. It's just so much easier and nicer to apply foundation with a brush that is shaped like a painter's brush. So this is the Morphe M109, and it's very, very, very thin. You can see that, it's very thin. So you just like apply the foundation on like this, and then you buff it in. So I am excited for that. Feels very, very nice and very thin. So that is the Morphe M109. And next we have the Morphe Buttery Blends Tools Duo. Super excited about this. A good, foundation. You need a good sponge, so that way you can just blend everything out. So it comes with a sponge and it comes with a sponge holder, which is great for travel because you can put your sponge back in your holder. So it says more, oh my gosh, there's a powder puff in here. Never mind. So it's a powder puff holder. I wonder if this is reusable because it is so soft. And this is like elastic and it says Morphe in that buttery shade. And it feels so good. Just love how cute this launches. I think they did such a good job with the marketing because everything literally is like the color of butter. It's like the off-white yellow and it's just so cute. And the brush, I mean, this feels like your basic sponge. It's nice and soft, but everybody could use a good sponge. And that is the Buttery Blends Tool Duo. And last is a little travel set. So this is a 6-piece travel brush set. And again, I love this buttery plastic off-white. It's like a little bag in here. And you get 6 mini brushes. These are about half the size of the other brushes. So let's see what you get. First, we'll start with the big brush. So this is a Morphe M104.5. So it's like a literal foundation brush, just with a smaller handle. So it's easier to travel with. So soft. It's like the quality is literally the exact same. Sometimes I feel like travel brushes, the quality is not that good, but it's literally the same. It's just like half the size. I'm gonna show you in comparison, literally like half the size if you can see that. And this is the Morphe 204.5 blush brush and super, super soft. Same quality brush and bristles. And it's just a really like a smaller brush for travel. And this is the Morphe 164.5 powder brush, which I'm guessing is meant for under the eye because it's so small, but it's super cute. This actually feels like a little kid's makeup brush because it's like a small head and a small body. It's so cute. And next is the Morphe 303.5. This is the eye packer. So this is like a really good eyeshadow brush to pack on eyeshadow. This is so soft. I love this brush. This is like my ideal brush to apply eyeshadow, especially all over the lid. So that is the mini eyeshadow brush. Next is the Morphe. This is the 333.5. This is the eye blender. So such great quality. This quality is the same. It's just a smaller handle. Very fluffy eyeshadow brush. So soft. It actually might be thinner than most blending brushes now that I'm feeling it, but I think it would be a really good eyeshadow brush. So a cute little travel size eyeshadow brush. And you get this lovely eyeliner angle brush. This is perfect for brows, perfect for eyeliner. Then you get a spoolie, and this is the 401.5 brush for the brows. It says brows, yeah. Brows or eyeliner, really, but how cute. And again, you get that super cute makeup bag, and all your little brushes fit right inside, and it's perfect for travel or even for a little kid. I feel like it's so cute. All right, guys, that completes this unboxing and review of the new Morphe Buttery blends. I am super excited to be filming with these in the future in my videos and tutorials. I think these brushes, like, they are such good quality, and I cannot wait to try them out. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.